Hi Raki, how are you? I have listening that you are very sick. Yes, I am very weak and I have been suffering for fever. I suggest you that immediately you have an appointment and to visit a doctor for your sickness. Yes, I was decided that I shall go to the doctors. Student and teacher. Sir, may I come in? Okay, come here and take your seat. Open your books. Yes. Pay attention to my instructions and take carefully to listening it. Sure, I pay attention to your instructions. Okay, good. Bring me your copy. I will check out. Yes, I bring my copy. Hi Raja. Other conversation. Hi Raja, why are you so worried? I am very thinking because my father is very ill and he was suffering for fever. How many days are she? How many days are he was suffering? He was suffering for 5 days. You should be to an appointment for visit the doctors. I went to the doctors. He takes medicines. Okay. Noun, understand the name of place, person or thing. Kinds of noun, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materialized noun, abstract noun. Subhash is the brilliant boy, Subhash proper noun. The cow gives us milk, cow common noun. Collective noun, students. Materialized noun, gold is a valuable metal, gold. Abstract noun, all's high. All's in the condition no more. Hure, we have on the match. All's hure. Abstract noun. Pronoun, it understand the instead of noun. Ram is going to the school, he is going to the school. Doing verb, going, coming, returning, finding, looking, jumping, climbing, each.